Alright, on today's episode of Cars and Coffee, we're going to be looking at a 55 Ford F100. And this kit I found at a yard sale. So if I remember correctly, I think I paid like $7 for it. And didn't have none of the chrome or glass. And obviously didn't have the wheels. So the wheels, I got it from my spare box. So they're kind of like the 90s style. The sticker, it's something that I have in my sticker pile, and I did some type of weathering on it, kind of like the rust patina, I guess I should say, and I lowered the suspension pretty aggressive, so it's pretty low. Let's see if I can go this way, and yeah, it's pretty low. So there's the rear bed. Let's take a look at the inside. So because the way I did this truck, I was able to just remove the cab, so there's nothing fancy on the cab. But yeah, if you look here, the seat, it's dirty. The shift, it's a needle with the white ball. And then I did a whole bunch of spare license plates. I just glued them on. I usually save all the license plates so I could do this type of work. And there's the engine that comes with the kit. And there's the other side. And I did black wash most of the body. And there's the engine. And that's about it, guys. Alright, see you guys in the next one. Happy modeling.